Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this is Marv Sargo again. And we are here to celebrate our birthday celebrant, Ate Dali. See? Nice decoration, guys. Happy birthday!
Ibibigay ko na lang. Na-picturean ko yan. Dami yan. Dapat.
Mga baliw talaga. Hi! Welcome! 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 Welcome, visitors! Welcome! Welcome!
Ayaw ka! Pumayat ka ka! Pumayat ka? Anong ginawa mo?
Welcome! Welcome, guys! Busy naman nila. Uy! Morris na naman.
Itong tayong lahat.
Happy birthday, Mayor!
Lagi, naawa ko sa sarili nyo, dalawa kayong milintan, pura kayong pagkain nung payat-payat nyo na. Kain kayo ng marami. Uy, kain na.
Yan yung birthday celebrant. Sige. Hi! Sino pangalan niyan?
Girlfriend ako ni Marv.
Pisti ka talaga. Hi! Nako! Hi, girl! Ano yung kinuha mo, girl? Gikan ka Dubai, no? Wala, yung brownies! Kinuha ng ano? Ang ganda ng...
Hi, vlog.
Subo nyo dyan. Hi, Nets. Oo, guys.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our birthday celebration to our friend Dali. So please come over here to start our prayer to be led by Mel.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Tuduwa nga,
Please come forward, the visitors. Please welcome. Start.
Almighty Father, I praise and thank you for the generous attention and care that for giving to us. Thank you for counting me including as a member of your most cherished flock, and for the privilege of knowing as our God, our Creator, and our Godfather. Help us to believe and accept that apart from you, we can do nothing, and we can only bring out in ourselves when we are with you at my side. We ask you, Father, to fill every day and peace of my heart, soul, and healing of strength. Father, control every part of us and protect us, especially our family, from the influences of excessive anxiety, pride, wilderness, anger, and fear. Salamat tanan, Lord, sa grasya nga imo ginhatag sa amon, ilabi na gid ang grasya sa kabuhi. Ini tanan, Lord, inaampo ginamon sa imo, sa ngalan ni Jesucristo nga atong Ginoo. Amen.
Okay, thank you so much, Ate Mel, sa iyong prayer. And now, let's welcome to all the visitors that you are here today to celebrate our birthday celebrant. So before the short program, we need to take our lunch first.
Sabi ng mga
Okay, let's sing a happy birthday. Okay, ready? Let's sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
One more time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Dapat yung cake dito. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
galing at Remy.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to
Okay na din nakakuha ako. Mga 1 to 3 months ko po. Yung kulong ko talaga gusto ko na. Pero ngayon ako 2 taon na kaya. Punta ako dito na buwasan. One more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Kuya. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Ayan, maraming salamat.
Ano, kainan na?
Kainan na. Okay, welcome kayo lahat.
Wala yung join na grupo?
Wala kami yan! Magkaralupad niya ang mga dahon. Hindi ko rin tinulog pa. Inanunsyo na mga intermission. Ang mga bisita, hindi daw magpatalo yung taga dito. Ay, ang mga bisita magpa-impromptu na intermission. Kailangan nyo talaga ang mga tiyatago yung talent, ilabas nyo. Huwag nyo itago. Kanin guys, mainit pa ako. Mayroon pa ako dala. Mayroon pa ako.
Akala ko magdeboto si Ate Dalin.
Yan ang talagang edad niya?
Luggage win lang sila.
Lagi, akala sabi niya mag-gown?
Akala ko mag-gown siya, baka sabi niya. Formal kayo,
Ako talaga lagi?
Nag-ruggage.
Kami nagpapasisi kami? Puta! Ako!
Ngayon at tapos na ang ating kainan. Hindi pa tapos. Sa mga tapos at hindi pa tapos, so kailangan na natin i-start ang ating short program kasi yung iba malayo pa, uwi pa. So paghanda-handaan nyo na yung mga presentation nyo. Bahalag, pagtuwad-tuwad kayo dyan. Mag-TikTok. Okay, first. Okay? I would like to